If you had a fire and you want to know what it costs to restore your home, here is a straight answer for Connecticut, Westchester County, and Western Massachusetts. No sales pitch, just the real ranges and what moves the price. Most fire and smoke jobs in our area run between $3,500 and $35,000. Smoke and soot cleanup in one room can be $3,500 to $8,500. A moderate fire across several rooms runs $10,000 to $35,000. And a major structural fire can reach $35,000 to $50,000 or more. By the square foot, fire and smoke restoration runs about $4 to $7. 5 things move that number. 1. Fire versus smoke. A small fire that mostly produced smoke and soot is far cheaper than a structural fire that burned through framing, wiring, and finishes. 2. The type of smoke. Dry smoke from a fast, hot fire wipes off. Wet smoke from a slow, smoldering fire and protein smoke from a kitchen fire are greasy, they penetrate, and they take far more labor and specialized cleaning. 3. Odor. Smoke odor hides in the HVAC system, the wall cavities, and the contents. Removing it for good means more than air fresheners. It means cleaning the ducts, sealing surfaces, and sometimes thermal fogging. 4. The contents. Furniture, clothing, and belongings often need separate cleaning, deodorizing, or pack out. 5. The rebuild. Cleaning and deodorizing is one phase. Replacing the drywall, flooring, cabinets, and structure that burned is the reconstruction phase. Now, insurance. Fire is a named peril on almost every homeowner's policy, so fire and smoke damage is usually covered, including smoke that spread to rooms the fire never reached. We document the loss, the photos, the scope, and we coordinate the cleaning and the rebuild, so your adjuster has what they need. We are not public adjusters, and we do not negotiate the claim. Can you clean it yourself? Light soot on a hard, washable surface in a small area? Sometimes. But soot is acidic, it etches metal and grout within days, and smoke odor that you cannot see has already moved into the HVAC and the wall cavities. A real fire job needs proper cleaning agents, odor treatment, and often a soda or dry ice blast to lift soot off framing without sanding. So that is the real cost of fire damage restoration. Stabilize the home, clean the soot, remove the odor at the source, restore the contents, and rebuild what burned. Green Restoration is an IICRC-certified firm across Connecticut, Westchester County, New York, and Western Massachusetts. For an exact number for your home, we will inspect it for free and give you a firm written estimate. Our line is open 24/7. 833-800-0474.